What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to edit a tweet on Twitter. Unfortunately, there is no direct way to edit a tweet, but this tutorial that I'm going to show you here is a pretty simple and similar way to edit your tweet. So obviously, the first step of doing this is to just head over to the tweet that you want to edit. The easiest way to do this is to just head over to your profile and just go down your feed. If it's an old tweet, you might want to just search for it, but chances are it's a fairly new tweet. I have this one right here, just one that I tweeted out a few seconds ago, just for example. Now, what you're going to want to do to edit this is you're going to want to select all on the tweet, kind of like a copy and paste kind of thing, because as you can see, if you click the three little dots like you think you might have to, you're not able to edit it. But if you just double tap on the text itself, it's going to select it for you, and you can just drag it to fit. And then from there, once you copied that, you're going to delete the tweet, and then you're going to create a new tweet, and then you could just paste your old tweet and edit it however you'd like. Now, this is technically not editing a tweet because you're creating a whole new one, but this is the simplest way to do it. If you type something and you made a mistake, you could easily just copy and paste it and then make the new one and correct the mistake. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you were confused or you had any questions on how this works, be sure to drop a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Da 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 da